Hello everybody. I'm going to do a video today, the next one in my series for using up your designer series paper. This card will use a whole sheet of DSP. We're going to start with a piece that is 11 by 11. We're going to fold it in half diagonally. The paper I'm using was a celebration paper. When you fold it in half, you should have reasonable points at the corners. If not, your paper wasn't probably square. Okay, so we have that folded in half diagonally. Then we're going to score it 4 1/4 inch from the folded edge. You can do this on a scoreboard or on a trimmer. I'm going to do it on my trimmer here because a lot of you probably don't have a scoreboard. So 4 1/4 from this folded edge. So we're going to take this edge and line it up with that 4 1/4 inch mark. And then we're going to use the scoring blade. And I'm going over a couple times because we're going through two kinds of paper. Okay, so that's our 4 1/4 inch from the folded edge. And then we're going to turn it and go 3 1/4 and 5 1/2 from each end. So I'm going to take this. We'll put the point at 3 1/4 and score. Then we're going to take it to 5 1/2 and score. Then we're going to turn it around and do the same thing. 3 1/4 and 5 1/2, and that's all the scoring we need. Okay, so we're going to fold over your folds in one direction. We've got both layers here at 4 1/4. And this is definitely a card where a bone folder comes in handy. Okay, and then we're going to fold these in. This is at the 5 1/2 mark. And we're going to score. And we're going to fold this one back it's at that 3 1/4 inch mark. And we're going to do the same on this side. You're going to take your score here and fold it in. And this one's going to go back. Okay, so the only cutting we're going to do on this card is to cut out this little triangle that you can see here on each side. And I'm cutting through both layers. Okay, so then this part gets folded back in. We're going to take this edge and we can crease it, or like flatten it out on so the score lines, and it makes a square. So you have like this, you stick your finger in and flatten it out. We're going to do the same on the next one. We're going to stick our finger in and flatten it out. And it makes like a square or a diamond shape on the front of your card. Okay, so then this is going to fold down and tuck in there so we can reinforce that fold. And then this one will go to the back. And that is your card. If for any reason it binds here, you can cut down just a wee bit farther off of these edges. I'm going to give mine just a hair of a trim. Oops. Now this is also the point in time, if you decide you want the other side of the paper showing, you can go do something different there. Okay, so then to decorate this card, I'm going to put this piece of paper on here, which actually I'm not sure white is our best choice there. Yeah, I think that's going to be way better. So we're going to glue this down to decorate that first. And I think we'll just glue those down as well. I'm going to just put a little on the back of here to glue that down as well. I'll lift this up a little bit. Well, I have glued too far down on my flower because I should not have glue back here. Okay, so that basically is the front of our card. Okay, then you can when the person opens it, it will open up like this, and you can put panels in here to write on. And I cut these at 4 by 4. And I believe the best way to decorate this might be with some more flowers that are cut out. And I think I'm going to just cut off here and use this in the corner and stick this leaf out. And this makes a very simple card. Okay, so then we can put a sentiment or something up here. I am going to just simply put "You are unique and amazing" up here. And that will be the inside of our card, although you could do more decorating if you chose. Now then, to fold it back up, it goes just like that. Oops. Okay, another thing you could do with this card is make it a gift pouch, because this can also be a pouch. If you can see in there, that's where our words were. But you can take a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 piece of card and stick it in, and of course you'd want to decorate the top, but you could also make it a card like that. Thank you very much.